Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into University of Salford as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in olr.salford.ac.uk. This is to register your account, olr.salford.ac.uk. You can then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Here you'll have to enter your student ID along with your PIN, and then press start now and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account. After you have registered, in the search bar you can type in OLR student login and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. And then in the search bar you must type in Salford student login, that is Salford student login. Tap on the second link saying user login. If you're in a mobile browser, you may have to zoom in. Here enter the user ID along with the PIN enter the user ID and the PIN that you just activated and hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.